Good morning, everyone. I'm up here doing the chores, but previously Grub Tara had reached out to us to see if we would be interested in trying the black soldier fly larvae, and I said sure. So they also sent a packet of the chicken coop refresher, which I'm not using today. I'll do a separate video on that, and I apologize. Woo! It's really windy. And I hope it's not picking up on the microphone. But the Grub Tara, I've seen ads for this, and I'm very interested in trying. And I know the chickens, the ducks, and the turkeys are going to love it. So I'm going to open this up. And the packaging is really nice. Produces stronger eggshells, keeps feathers healthy, farm raised, and 75% more calcium than mealworms. And I know the chickens, they love mealworms. Okay, so I put some in the bowl. Let's see if we can coax some over. Come on, Andy, Mr. Campbell, give them a try. Hello, girl. Here.
up, piggies? Huh? What is up? All right, well, it's up the whole way to, I have extra laying right there. The goat crying is the Peach's baby. We separated her. So, not happy camper at all. But I gotta go find another insulator for that. It's broke, so it's shortened, and then once I get that power shut off, I can hook that up, and then bingo, bingo, bango.
Well, here we are up at the pigs. They're going to be reacclimated to electric. So Mike's in there putting insulators on to run a wire on the inside of this area that they're in right now. And Kiva is learning that these guys are not predators. It rained pretty good last night. Do you need some wire?
I'm just gonna go up and walk the whole way around, I guess.
Well,
That'd be the easiest. Work my way back.
okay. All right, he's down connecting the wire. And she's going to have it all ripped out because she's tangled in it now. But they are tracing the line the whole way to every insulator. He'll have to replace it all till he gets back. He's down in with Fonzie and Samson connecting the wire. And then he has to go down to the goat hut and plug it back in. Chewing on the line. Chewing on the insulator. Chewing on the fiberglass sticks. Yep. That's not going to feel good when it gets plugged back in, girl. He's going to have this plugged in in any second. Yikes. That hurt. That hurt. I'm sorry. Oh, it wasn't me. I promise. Let's come around here. Are you guys afraid to move now? Did that hurt? I'm sure. That hurt me. I hope that wasn't your second one, girl. You're going to be baking before your time. I believe so.
All right, well, the pigs are enlightened. They're going to, we'll probably leave them like this for a week or so. And then we're going to open up right there where that big maple is that's dying. I don't know, that's a big maple. But we're going to open that fence up once we're going to fence in a pretty big area out there in the woods and just let them go do their thing. Do what pigs do. We'll bring you along when we open them up. But that's the plan, is to, oh geez. Ooh, that really had to hurt because you had your nose on the T-post too. Woo! Yikes! He's growling at it. That's the boy, isn't it? The red one?
Yeah.
Listen to him. He's growling. No more rooting. No more rooting tooting. Yikes.
Grass is always greener.
Listen to him.
Sorry, baby.
He is not happy. Stay away from the edges. Because when we get out in the woods, they're going to be the same. Yeah. So anyways, guys, whoa, in the sun. That is going to be the end of this video. So, like I said, about a week. Then we're going to, within that week, I'm hoping to build a bigger pen that they can roam around out there in the woods. I'm not sure how I'm going to do it yet. I have like ideas, but I might do it like in a fan and then split it off so that once they root up an area, one section, we can close that area off and let them root another section and something, because they're going to be here till October, November before they're butchered. So they can tear up a lot of ground between now and then. So, all right. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe and hit that subscribe button. Thumbs up. Ay, just got bit. Oh, these bugs. I'm ready for fall. Anyways, whoa. Hit that subscribe, thumbs up, share the video. It's how you enlighten pigs.